MI-753XL. Installation. Step 1. Install the pole to the desktop. Option A. Desk clamp install. Remove the 3 bolts from the bottom of the pole with the provided Allen key. Install the C-clamp brace using the 3 bolts and the Allen key. Choose where to install the pole assembly according to the desk's thickness. Tighten the C-clamp to the desktop by twisting the plastic knob. Option B. Grommet base install. Remove the 3 bolts from the bottom of the pole with the provided Allen key. Install the grommet base to the pole using the 3 bolts and the Allen key. Use a screwdriver to release the knob from the C-clamp assembly. Using the support plate and knob, secure the pole to the desk. Step 2. Install the arm to the pole. Place the swivel arm over the pole and tighten with the provided Allen key. Step 3. Attach the VISA plates to the monitors. Step 4. Starting with the center monitor. Slide the monitors onto the head of the swivel arm. Make sure to secure with the security screw. Step 5. Make the necessary adjustments. Loosen, adjust, then tighten the bolt with the Allen key to fix the tilt angle. To adjust the height of the center monitor, turn the screw counterclockwise to move it down and clockwise to move it up. Manage the wires and store the Allen keys on the wire clip. Hold the wires in place with the cable clips.